I'm Megan and I'm a physical therapist at Rex Hospital. Today we're going to go over how to get out of a tall car using a stool after having had a total hip replacement. So before the patient gets to the car, you're going to have your family member move the car seat back as far as it will go, as well as move the back of the seat far. When the patient is ready, you're going to move a stool in front of the car and you're going to have them walk up to the stool and back up to it. They're going to step up on the stool with their good leg first, and then they're going to reach back for the seat, trying not to bend at the waist too much and propping the operated leg out in front of them. Once they're sitting, you're going to help them move that operated leg into the car, moving their leg and their hips all together. Good. Once they're seated in the car, you can bring the seat back upright to wherever they're comfortable. And then you're ready to head home.